So hey guys, today we will be making this setup as you are seeing on the home screen of my OnePlus 7 Pro, and today I will guide you to how to set up this process on any Android phone. So first of all, please download all the application from the video description below, and I will be linking the Nova Launcher Prime including the icon pack and also the widgets and the widgets pack on the description below. And please simply download all the applications from the link and install this on your Android phone. And then please set up Nova Launcher as your default launcher on your Android phone. And once you have set up the Nova Launcher as your default launcher, now I am going to show how to set up this home screen on your Android phone. Now once you have set up the Nova Launcher as your default launcher, please go to the settings of the Nova Launcher, which is called the Nova settings, and then go to the home screen and please set up the first option desktop grid to 11 by 11 so that it can match my setting. And also please tick on the mark of the sub grid positioning, and then please go to the Nova Launcher again, and here you can find the dock option. Please disable the dock, don't enable this. And also please go to the page indicator and set to none, and then you can go to the advanced option, and you can see that some options. Please lock the layout, and then you can see that widget overlap is there, so click on that widget overlap enable, and then overlap when placing, keep this check mark. Now once you have done this, please go to your home screen, and as you can see this is my home screen. So I will be copying these items to a new blank home screen here, and you will find this blank home screen. So simply tap on the home screen and unlock it by pressing this, and after that please tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see here it says wallpapers, widgets and settings. Then go to the widgets and scroll down until you find the KWGT widgets, and as you can see maybe I have missed, and here is the KWGT widget. So please simply click on the 4:1, hold and click to the home screen, and now it's here. And again go to widgets, 4:1, drag it on the home screen. And so as you can see here are two widgets, the Google search bar and the date and time. So we need two widgets that we have brought up here, and this is the app icons, for app icons, your favorite apps you can put there. So once you have done that, please simply go to the widgets pack and resize it to your liking. So I can resize it to something like this, and I can also resize this to something like this, so that you can have the best setting. And now please click on the widget. Once you have clicked on the widgets, you will find that the hook KWGT here, and simply click on the hook KWGT, and let's find out the search bar that was on our home screen. So let's go here. As you can see it's called the free 104. Click on that, and once you have clicked on that, please click on the layer option and increase the size, and then please click on the items options, and once you are on the items options, please click on the Sunday box and delete it from the above option. Please then shape, select the shape option and delete this as well, and then click on the overlap group rectangle, as you can see search, and then hit the position and position it just a little above by clicking the left arrow of Y offset, and you can then drag it down by simply clicking the plus option of the Y offset, or you can go up and then simply go back and click on the text option and click on the position option, and then drag it down to the Y offset so it can be included inside the box, the search bar. So let's hit back and then go to layer and increase the layer size, and then again go to the items option, then go to the overlap group, and then go to position and keep it back, or you can do that, and then go to layer, increase the size, decrease by a little bit so that it fills up the box, and then go to back again and go to the text, which is the date, go to the position and then bring it up, and also go back, go to layer, decrease the size, and now go to the items options here and go to the text option, and here you can see the size option here. Please simply increase the size of the text and go to position, and let's move it to the left and position a little bit down on the middle, and then go to the back option and again on the text option. Let's decrease the size by a little bit by tapping on the minus button, then again position it, and boom, we're done. And now you can see that the widgets is set up. Click on the save option, go to your home screen, and you can find that the search bar is here. You can place it anywhere you want, so I'm place it down here. And now we are going to set up another widget. Click on the widget option and then go to hook KWGT, and then we are going to find out the date and the day widget. So let's find out the widget here so that we can click on the widget. Still scrolling. So I haven't found that yet, so keep scrolling. So as you can see, it's the free 092 here, uh, the free 092. So simply click on that, and as you can see it's almost set here. So I'm going to just click save option, and as you can see, boom, the search bar is here and the date icons is here. So I'm going to place the app icons here simply. So let's go to here, and from that let's go bring up one icon, then I am randomly picking 4 items here. So let's pick some items. As you can see, let's put them here, and I'm going to bring on another item. So here you go, this is the setup. With this you can adjust the size of the home screen, so I'm just keeping this, so you can set up as your own liking. So if you guys like this, please have a like on the video and press on the subscription button so that I can make future videos like this one. And see you guys in the next video. Please comment if you have any issue, I will try to help out. Bye bye.